Hey, my name is Kurt Songer, and today I'm going to show you my final project for Stanford's Code in Place. My program is called the NBA Draft Assistant, and it's meant to help NBA GMs and front offices in deciding which player they'd like to select in the upcoming 2020 NBA Draft. So, when you start it up, you see there are two possible modes, player analysis and best fit. So let's start with player analysis. So it asks us to select a player, and this is going to be from the top 30 prospects. So let's press enter so we can see the list. And now let's pick a player off the list. I'll pick one of my favorite prospects, LaMelo Ball. And as you can see here, here's LaMelo's stats. 17 points per game, 7.6 rebounds, 6.8 assists. So some pretty good numbers, although he doesn't shoot the three quite well. And he gets 1.6 steals a game, so some decent numbers. Let's try out Trey Jones. And there you can view another player, Trey Jones, also averaging some pretty good numbers. So now let's switch modes. So we will enter done to be done with player analysis, and we will select best fit. So now there are 5 categories in best fit needs that we can select. So let's say we're a team that we want a player who scores a lot and rebounds a lot. So our first strength, we're going to enter points per game. And just as an example, let's say I entered a strength that wasn't on the list. Let's say I said offensive rebounds. That's not on my list, so it'll ask me to choose one from the list. So I'll choose rebounds. And then now that we're done, I'll press enter. And here we have the top 3 best fit players based on your team's needs. James Wiseman, 19.7 points per game and 10.7 rebounds. So of all the top 30 prospects, he fits the mold of points and rebounds the best. Obi Toppin and Vernon Carey. So using combined rankings from each stat, you can choose as many strengths as you want, and it will produce the best fit players for those needs. And then when you're done, press enter, and it says thank you for using the NBA Draft Assistant, and thank you for watching.